In contract law, when something goes wrong, we usually think about compensation. This means an award of money to fix the problem. In this video, we do a deeper dive into contract law and swimming pools. But what if the fix costs more than it's worth? What if it's not practical to make it right? That's the heart of Ruxley Electronics and Construction versus Forsyth, a case that made the courts rethink how they calculate damages.
I hired Ruxley to build a swimming pool in my garden. We agreed it would be 7 feet 6 inches deep. I wanted to be able to dive safely. When they finished, I measured it. It was only 6 feet 9 inches. That's 9 inches short. Not what I paid for.
True, but the pool was still perfectly safe, fully usable. No one's getting hurt diving into that. Fixing it would have meant ripping it all out and starting again. That would have cost over 20,000 pounds. For what, a few inches?
It wasn't about inches. It was about what I asked for. I didn't get what I was promised. And don't give me any of that. Size does not matter. It matters what you do with it. I thought I should be compensated enough to rebuild it properly.
Mr. Forsyth sued for the cost of reinstatement. This was over 2,000 pounds. But the House of Lords disagreed. They said that kind of expense would be unreasonable and disproportionate to the actual impact. The pool was safe, it worked. The court awarded $2,500 for loss of amenity in recognition that he did lose something, just not enough to justify full rebuilding.
Look, we didn't give him exactly what he asked for, but tearing it up, that'd be wasteful. It's about what's fair, not what's perfect.
I see that now. I still think I deserve the full depth. But I understand courts don't just hand out big sums when there's no real damage.
Ruxley versus Forsyth taught us that damages in contract law aren't just about fulfilling promises. They're about reasonableness, utility, and proportionality. When performance falls short, but the actual impact is small, the courts might award a smaller sum, not the full cost of correction. Loss of amenity matters, even if it's not measured in bricks and bills.
Now you know how courts approach damages in these situations. Have a look around Dr. Yannis' channel for more on remedies in contract law.